Very good, my YouTube people. Today we will be drawing Spider-Man step by step in the easiest way possible. If you want to send me your drawings, you can do so on my Facebook page, what will be appearing here on the screen. Once all this has been said, and since you are on my Facebook page, follow it as it is a lot of help. Now let's go with this. The first thing we are going to do is this circle, and then we draw this shape, and here we make these three lines. Okay, here we are going to do the silhouette of the nose. Practically this is it. Here we are going to leave a certain distance because the eye is not glued but rather has a certain distance, and what I drew will indicate the size of the eye. We're going to make him this figure with this figure that I'm making. We're going to draw Spider-Man step by step in a really easy way. And not only that, but stay until the end of the video and you will have a surprise. What is it? Well, I tell you. Now let's go with a sharp marker. In this case, he is using a sharp. We are going to outline and we are going to give it. Shape what Spider-Man is, because I do it this way. I start with pencil because it's simple. There are a lot of cartoonists who show drawing at once with the markers, and it's fine. That's very good, but I think that not all of us have the experience to draw that way, and that's why I start drawing with a pencil. So that the one who is watching the video from a computer, a cell phone, a bottle from space, can understand how to draw Spider-Man step by step. And that is why you have to give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and leave a nice comment. And by the way, mention that another character you want me to draw for the next videos. So having said all this, may God bless you today, tomorrow, and always. And in this way, the drawing really looks epic. What is missing is to give it the characteristic lines of Spider-Man's Spider-Man suit and add an occasional shadow to make the drawing look epic. Let's start with the shadow because I'm really going to make this look epic. From here, editor put on epic music. The rest is intuition and epic music.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good